Hi, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. I decided to treat myself to a little something different for lunch today. So I went to my local Indian restaurant to give it a try. They've been here for a while, and I decided to treat myself. So let's have a look at what we got here. So I got the chicken tandoori. It's served in a bowl. Looks pretty good, right? They serve it in a little boat, and then it comes with a side of rice here, same boat size. It's one of my favorite things to eat, the chicken tandoori. And then they serve it with this naan bread. It's light, but it's very tasty. This is the butter naan. I also like the garlic naan. So let's serve ourselves up some and see what the food is given. They really fill the bowl here. It's nice and hot, which I like. Don't you just hate when you go to a restaurant and you order hot food, but the food is cold? I mean, that's not giving anything that I want. I want hot food if it's supposed to be hot, and cold food if it's supposed to be cold, right? Okay, so we have our rice here, and then we're going to put some of this sauce over the chicken. It's a lot of sauce that they give you. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is the chicken tandoori. It's like boneless chicken and a mild curry sauce. And I chose to get it medium because I like spicy, but not too hot. So let's give it a try and see what it's given. Still hot. Mmm, very flavorful. And it's not too hot. Chicken is moist, it's tender, the rice is light, very flavorful, very flavorful. This is the basmati rice, so it's very light and aromatic. One of my favorites. Okay, so I'd say that's a five. Let's give this naan a try. So we have the naan. It's very light. It's big, but it's very light. You just tear it. Sometimes they serve this with something called dal, and that's just beans that they use to serve it up with this in your hands. But I didn't want beans today, so I'm gonna give this a try. Mm, it's so light. It's similar to a pizza dough, but it's very, very thin and very light. And then they put a little butter on it, so it gives it that final taste. It's very, very good. Mm. So far, so good, guys. Okay, guys, so I am going to eat a little bit more, and then I'll let you guys know how it turned out. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Let's give you guys a look at the food one more time. That's my plate. This is the tandoori chicken, and this is the naan. Okay, guys, enjoy. Bye.